Hai guys, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya.
Nah, hari ini Mbak Tina Bule mau jelasin ke Mbak Ana Bule kalau Dayana dan Vicky Naki sudah ketemu guys. Jadi Dayana dan Vicky Naki. Ana Vitkovskaya sama siapa guys? Saya nggak ngerti lagi. Ana sudah setahun bolak-balik dari Rusia. Kok belum jodoh-jodoh sih? Kenapa sih?
Nggak tahu.
Kamu kenapa sih?
Kenapa sih?
Jadi Ana, I will tell you the story about Dayana and Vicky Naki.
Oke, baik.
Oke?
Iya, tahu.
You already. Jadi Ana juga sempat dengar kalau ada cerita cinta dengan Dayana dan Naki. Jadi tapi dia belum tahu detail-detailnya. Jadi saya akan jelasin.
Ya.
Pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Kalian
Ya,
yang
ayo.
nonton kalau nggak ngerti bahasa Inggris sudah tahu ceritanya kan? Atau kalau belum mengerti bahasa Inggris, nah sekalian belajar, oke? Nah, saya jelasin ke Ana. Ana, so there is this Dayana and this Naki. They were both on Ome TV.
Aku tahu.
I think I know the two guys. Okay, so they were on Ome TV and they met there.
Oh gitu.
Okay,
Ya.
oh gitu. Okay,
Oh gitu. oke.
and then Dayana bilang ke Naki, wah kamu ganteng banget. So he's very handsome, she say. And he say, thank you are very pretty too. And ternyata Naki itu bisa bahasa Rusia, bahasa Rumania, dan
Oh.
bahasa Spanyol.
Serius?
Dah.
Wow.
Jadi Naki itu polilingual ya.
Wow, so cool.
Ya, very cool dan
Keren.
sangat pintar, very nice Naki.
Luar biasa.
Jadi Naki itu tuh ternyata bisa ngomong sama Dayana juga bahasa Rusia, so he can speak Russian with
Yeah,
Dayana.
that's cool.
And at some point, when Dayana knows that he can speak Russian too, and he's handsome and he's smart, she say, "I want you to marry me," or she said, "I want to marry you." That I don't remember. And then he say, "For real?"
For real?
Jadi dia udah siap-siap
Are you
Nakinya.
serious?
Yes. Wait, can you? Thank you.
Boleh. Bisa.
Oke. So Ana, jadi begitu cerita mereka. Dan Diana bilang, wah tapi Naki harus datang ke Kazakhstan. And Naki said, okay, I will pick you up in Kazakhstan, but we need to live in Indonesia.
Oh.
So they already follow each other on Instagram, and they are in touch. Jadi, so already I made yesterday a video talking about them and remembering about me and Bayu in the beginning, how cute and how romantic and how nice is this
Yeah,
kind
that's
of
really-
love, international stories,
Yeah,
and how
international stories is always romantic.
it was romantic, right? Nah, jadi Ana kayaknya saya tahu udah kuncinya guys. Jadi Ana harus main Ome TV,
Iya.
biar siapa tahu dapat jodoh juga di Ome TV.
Belum TV.
Belum Ome TV. Guys, kita harus ajarin Ana main Ome TV. We need to teach you. Karena orang-orang, nah Mbak Tina ini sudah nikah, sudah punya anak. Jadi orang-orang bilang Mbak Tina harus bikin prank di Ome TV. Tapi Mbak Ana Bule bisa cari jodoh guys di Ome TV. Ya kan? I'm kidding Ana. Jadi no pressure, but you're here for long. No
And it's
pressure.
already so bad.
No pressure. But people are getting married on Ome TV.
This is the only way.
Ana.
That's why I'm not married yet because belum TV.
Ya makanya Ana berkata Ana belum jodoh karena belum main Ome TV. Jadi Ana, bagaimana kalau misalnya Ana dapat jodoh orang Indonesia? Oke, let's make a game where we imagine things.
Oke.
Jadi Ana ketemu orang Indonesia, pacaran, nah abis itu terus nikah. Gimana Ana? How do you imagine this?
It's very good for me. Doesn't matter which country he from, but I want him to not stay in only his country, but also can travel together.
Travel together. Yay, jadi Ana bilang nggak apa-apa kalau orang Indonesia, dia emang
Iya.
bilang kalau ada banyak juga cowok ganteng ya di Indonesia, tapi cowok itu mandatory guys, dia pulang ke Rusia sama Ana juga ya kan, untuk orang tuanya juga ketemu dan jalan-jalan biar sama-sama enak, dan juga biar jalan-jalan ya kan.
Iya.
Ya, jadi traveling itu penting. Tuh Mbak Tina Bule aja udah nikah, udah punya anak, masih traveling mulu. Jadi ini Bule ini dua suka traveling, guys.
Ya suka.
Jadi anak kapan mau mulai main Ome TV? Abis ini ya.
Ya coba, let's try Om TV.
Ome TV, oke. Tapi kayaknya Ome TV itu cuma bisa di laptop aja kan?
Bisa.
Atau mungkin di HP juga bisa. Jadi guys, we will keep you updated. Jadi their love story is so sweet, no?
sweet, so nice,
sweet,
yeah.
and they are both. She's very pretty, he's very handsome ya. Jadi Diana sangat cantik dan Naki juga ganteng. Jadi wah cocok deh pokoknya, saya masih senyum aja sendiri kalau ingat cerita mereka. Very cute and sekali lagi guys, semoga lancar dengan Diana and Naki. So you're setting an example for Anna Vitkovskaya.
Setting the example.
I'm kidding. Tapi ya karena kan lucu juga tuh sampai bisa ketemu guys di Ome TV. But it's so nice ya, because as I said in my previous content, it's like it's this new generation, you know, kayak like kok sampai bisa ketemu di internet gitu. Because for example, if my parents, if our grandparents apalagi,
No, they can.
if you tell them the story, how they can even concept it, how they can
Yes,
even
of
like
course, like,
imagine it, like what kind of a real relationship
course,
is that?
yeah, they
But
will
look
never
guys, sampai ada proposal di Ome TV, you see like
Let's marry. Let's marry. Wait.
what, yeah. But it was very nice, I think. It was very unique this story, makanya sampai jadi viral.
Iya.
So it was very nice, very also very how to call it, yeah, very like out from nowhere, you know.
Yes,
because
just came.
very spontaneous.
Yeah, spontan in Russian.
Very nice guys. So Anna, what do you think about them?
It's very nice. That like how they found each other. She's like, and he can speak Russian. It's so cool. Also.
Itu dia guys, dia
Of course, she's like, oh, he can speak Russian. Blah, blah,
tinggal
blah.
Diana aja belajar bahasa
I know.
Indonesia.
She's like, what?
Very easy,
And
right?
he was the first who said, oh, marry me. I don't
No,
know.
she say
Yeah.
she said that she wanna marry him. So what a modern woman,
No,
right?
She's like,
Very
take
nice.
everything to her hands.
Independent woman,
Yeah,
guys,
betul.
from Kazakhstan. Very nice, Diana.
From
We
Kazakhstan.
admire you. And we wish you guys all the best. And you guys yang nonton video ini, wish all the best untuk Anna Vitkovskaya juga. Untuk Anna, jadi abis video ini akan mulai main Ome TV juga. Dan guys, karena Anna belum dapat jodoh di Indonesia, bisa aja subscribe YouTube dia.
Oh, YouTube dan Instagram saya Anna Vitkovskaya.
Oke, karena dia juga ada video yang sangat keren dan lucu dari Indonesia dan dari Rusia juga. Dan Instagramnya dia sangat sering posting di Instastory. Tapi saya juga guys, saya punya Instagram @batinabule_official. Dan juga kalau suka video ini, jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen. Oke guys, terima kasih. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Bye!